What's up, guys? Today I'm checking out Naughty by Nature, Uptown Anthem, the official music video. Nobody requested this one. This was one I ended up finding on my own. As you guys know, if you watch Juice, which I'm sure probably all of you have, this song was part of the soundtrack to Juice. Like at the very end, as soon as the credits started rolling, like you heard this song. But I believe on like Juice, they had like an edited version or something. Like you heard like a radio announcement or something like that going on. But this is the official song. I haven't heard it. I know what the beat sounds like, but I haven't heard like any of the lyrics because I don't think they played the lyrics in the movie. But I'm very excited to check this one out. Naughty by Nature. It's been a while since I've done them, but yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. Oh yeah, this is it. I was worried a bit that I got the wrong video or something, but this is it. That beat is so cold too, man.
But there's still no mountain high enough or wide enough to touch the naughty, nappy, nasty nigga, the nasty, trashy, ho, happy, pappy. That's happy to be nappy.
Man, you gotta admire Tretch's lyricism, and man, I don't know how he even like spoke the stuff he be speaking, but this dude is crazy nice, man.
Me and Ben Rock went spots in flocks and groups and troops with timber boots and gel suits. That's how I roll when my hair do dope. When the will I got wanting competition ain't dope. Beat you, break you, broke you, smoke you, take you, send you to your little group on mute. Sooner or later, he wanna flip, tell him full, send me half with a dip, and all that other Ringling brother shit.
My boy Poppy. I didn't even know he had a cameo in this.
You can run, but you can't hide, you can't go far. No matter where you go, there you are.
This beat is so nice, man. They have some of the best like beats.
See a 40 sucker 40, guess who's back? You're chilling with a titty feeling villain. Step into the puny booty punks, catch your feelings. I ain't so many guts, call me gutter. I'm the bread and butter punk, motherfucker style cutter. Walking from the gutter, brand new steady, heavy as a Chevy, ready full of pity petty. I'm pretty ready. Place your bet on a vet, the 3-man threat. What you see is what you get.
Oh, that was dope.
Coming around the corner with my Uptown bunch. I bet your bottom dollar that your bottom buck chumps. Give it up, it's a juice thing. I'm stepping for the wreck bit, wrecking all the rest in. Weapon testing on who's stepping. Ain't a bluff, but a nigga enough for the rugged rough stuff. Nigga, if you're tough, knuckle up. I cut your ass like class, then blast you by the trash. After I laugh, then I'll dash. You can't handle the scandal of an uptown vandal. Shooting up your toes, making sandals. Somebody told me that you're old,
man,
but
it's
can't
so
nobody
cool to
hold
see
me.
Poppy
I
in
do
this
my
too.
dirt over my loan.
This is one of the, man, this is such a good, I love it. This beat especially though is incredible. I don't know how they've been coming up with these beats. Like this hip hop parade. Okay, yeah, that was definitely I love that, man, from beginning to end. I just wish I didn't know what the beat sounded like, because like I've heard the beat from Juice, but this was definitely an amazing song, man. I really enjoyed this one, and I'm gonna be playing this one out just like I played out Hip Hop Hooray. Well, I didn't play it out, I just played it so much that I just eventually stopped listening to it like as much. But this is gonna be one of those ones I listened to a ton. I can already tell. The beat was insane lyrically. These guys are also insane. Tretch, I don't know how like he raps that fast and then maintains the lyricism. I don't understand it, but and also we got a pot cameo in this, which was pretty cool as well. So yeah, this was definitely a dope song. I love the music video, and if you guys enjoyed it as well, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new, and with that being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.